Investing is the act of putting money into financial schemes, shares, property, or a commercial venture with the expectation of achieving a profit. In 2024, investing remains vital for personal financial growth. The digital age provides more opportunities and tools for new investors. Yet, it also brings complexities that require understanding. The importance of investing cannot be overstated. It is a way to grow wealth over time, surpassing the effects of inflation. Without investing, money saved will lose value. This is due to the rising cost of goods and services. Therefore, learning to invest is crucial in today's financial landscape. The goal of investing is to make your money work for you. Through careful planning and smart choices, you can achieve financial security. It allows you to plan for future expenses. These include retirement, education, or even buying a home. Starting early amplifies these benefits through compound interest. Investments come in various forms. The three fundamental types are stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Each has unique characteristics and levels of risk. Understanding these can help you make informed decisions. Stocks represent ownership in a company. Stocks can provide high returns but come with higher risks. Bonds are loans to corporations or governments. Bonds are safer but offer lower returns. Mutual funds pool money for diversified investments. They offer diversification and professional management. Risk management is a critical aspect of investing. All investments carry some level of risk. The key is to balance potential rewards with acceptable risk levels. Understanding your risk tolerance is the first step. Diversification is a primary strategy for managing risk. By spreading investments across various asset classes, sectors, or geographies, you reduce exposure to any single investment's poor performance. Diversification helps smooth out returns and protect against significant losses. Another important concept is asset allocation. This involves dividing your investments among different types of assets. Your allocation should reflect your risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your allocation ensures it remains aligned with your objectives. In addition to diversification, employing stop-loss orders can help manage risk. A stop-loss order automatically sells a stock when its price falls to a predetermined level. This helps limit losses and protect profits. Combining these strategies helps build a robust investment plan. Creating an investment plan involves several steps. Each step requires careful consideration and planning. Here is a step-by-step guide. First, define your financial goals. These could be short-term or long-term. Examples include saving for a car, a house, or retirement. Clear goals provide direction and a framework for your investment strategy. Second, assess your current financial situation. Evaluate your income, expenses, debts, and savings. This helps determine how much you can invest. It also identifies areas where you can cut expenses to increase your investment capacity. Third, determine your risk tolerance. Consider how much risk you are willing to take. This depends on your financial goals, time horizon, and personal comfort with volatility. Knowing your risk tolerance helps choose appropriate investment vehicles. Fourth, choose an investment strategy. This involves selecting the types of investments that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Consider factors like investment time frame, expected returns, and potential risks. Section 5. Real-world examples of investment strategies. Let's look at real-world examples. John, a young professional, aims to buy a house in 10 years. He has a high risk tolerance and invests in stocks and mutual funds. Emma, nearing retirement, has a low risk tolerance. She invests in bonds and dividend-paying stocks. Carlos has a balanced approach, dividing investments among stocks, bonds, and real estate. Investment strategies should align with individual goals and risk tolerance. Tailoring your strategy is key to successful investing. Section 6. Practical advice on researching investments. Researching investments is crucial for making informed decisions. Understand the basics of the investment. Look at past performance, management team, and market conditions. Analyze the financial health of the investment. Review earnings reports, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Keep up with market trends and economic indicators. Use investment tools and software for valuable insights. Section 7. Common pitfalls to avoid. New investors often make common mistakes. Avoiding these can save time and money. One common pitfall is emotional investing. Making decisions based on fear or greed can lead to poor outcomes. Stick to your plan and avoid reacting to short-term market fluctuations. Another mistake is lack of diversification. Investing heavily in one asset or sector increases risk. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk and improve potential returns. Similarly, avoid chasing high returns without considering the associated risks. Overtrading is another pitfall. Frequent buying and selling can lead to high transaction costs and tax implications. It also increases the risk of making impulsive decisions. Adopt a long-term perspective and avoid unnecessary trading. Finally, neglecting to review and adjust your portfolio can be detrimental. Regularly reassess your investments to ensure they align with your goals and risk tolerance. This helps maintain a balanced and effective investment strategy. Section 8. Motivational advice for new investors. Starting your investment journey can be daunting. However, remember that every successful investor began as a beginner. The key is to start early and stay committed. Over time, even small investments can grow significantly to the power of compounding. Educate yourself continuously. The investment world is dynamic and ever-changing. Reading books, attending seminars, and following financial news helps you stay informed. Knowledge is your best tool for making smart investment decisions. Set realistic expectations. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. Celebrate small victories and learn from mistakes. Each step brings you closer to achieving your financial goals. Lastly, seek advice when needed. Consult with financial advisors, join investment groups, and learn from experienced investors. Surrounding yourself with a supportive community can provide valuable insights and encouragement.